Did you know that dogs do not see the world in black and white as many people believe? This common misconception has been debunked by scientists who have studied canine vision. In truth, dogs see the world quite differently than we do. Their color vision is not as rich or as vibrant as ours, but it's certainly not monochromatic. Contrary to popular belief, dogs actually see in a spectrum of blues and yellows. Picture a world where orange looks like a faded gold, and red appears as a murky brown. This is because dogs cannot distinguish between red and green, similar to a form of color blindness in humans. But don't feel sorry for our furry friends just yet. Despite this limitation, dogs have a unique visual strength. They are excellent at detecting movement, making them formidable hunters and loyal protectors. So, next time you're picking out a toy for your furry friend, remember, they see the world a little differently than we do. Ever wondered how your best buddy's sight stacks up against yours? Well, let's shed some light on that fascinating subject. You see, dogs and humans perceive the world through their eyes quite differently. While we humans enjoy a rainbow of colors thanks to our 3 types of color receptors, our furry friends only have 2. This means dogs see the world in shades of blue and yellow, but reds and greens, not so much. But hey, you might say, that sounds like a bum deal for dogs. Well, not quite. Dogs excel in other areas where we fall short. Take night vision, for instance. Dogs' eyes contain a special layer that helps them see better in low light. And motion detection? Dogs are absolute champs at it. Their vision is finely tuned to pick up the slightest movements, a trait that harkens back to their hunting days. While our canine companions may not see the world in as many colors, they certainly have a leg up in other aspects of vision. Now you might be asking yourself, how does this affect my dog's behavior? Well, their unique vision significantly influences their actions and preferences. Have you ever wondered why your canine friend might be more drawn to certain toys over others? It could be as simple as the color. Dogs see the world primarily in shades of blue and yellow, so toys in these hues might stand out more to them. Now, let's consider why your dog becomes more active during particular times of the day. Dogs' eyes contain a high concentration of rod cells, which allows them to see better in lower light conditions. Thus, they might be more active at dawn or dusk when the light is softer and more suited to their vision. Understanding these little nuances of your dog's vision can help explain their behavior. It's fascinating, isn't it? And there's more to it than just meets the eye. Understanding your dog's vision can give you new insights into their behavior and preferences. Now that you know more about your dog's vision, how can you use this knowledge to enhance your bond with your pet? As it turns out, there's plenty you can do to cater to your dog's unique sight capabilities. For starters, when selecting toys for your furry friend, opt for ones in shades of blue and yellow, colors that dogs can see best. Avoid reds and greens, as they can appear as shades of gray to your pet. But it's not just about color. Dogs are particularly good at detecting movement. So, consider engaging them with motion-based games like fetch or frisbee. These activities stimulate their visual senses and also provide great exercise. And don't forget about your home environment. Ensure it's well lit, especially for older dogs whose vision may be declining. Remember, the world through your dog's eyes is a unique and fascinating place. By understanding their vision, you can make their world even more enjoyable.